तारीख को हम लोग अपने भारत सरकार के श्रम मंत्री माननीय श्री मनसुख मांडविया जी से भेंट किए थे। मनसुख मांडविया इज द मिनिस्टर फॉर लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट। अर्लियर ही वॉज द मिनिस्टर फॉर द हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री। अभी हम लोग ने मिलने के लिए उससे पहले द लेबर सेक्रेटरी मैडम से भी बात हुआ, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेक्रेटरी मैडम से, regarding the various issues, but the major issues, 2-3 points I would like to brief you, and then you may have some sort of clarification or some doubts to be cleared out. I am here to clear it out. One thing is major role for the labor codes. The all 4 labor codes are passed in the parliament, you know that also. They briefed about what about the status from the states, different states. State has to made their own rules. Out of that, 16 states has completely done that work. Another 11, they have also done the work, but little, some sort of 10-5% work. Kerala state has also done this, and only 2 or 3 states are remaining for this. Now, these are the 4 codes, you know that. I make it the very short of that. Wages code, social security code, OSH codes, and industrial relations code. The different perceptions from the different point of view. There are the employers and there are the trade union people also. Various trade unions have their own perceptions. Now, what is from BMS point of view? We assured the Minister Sir about the BMS views points. We have discussed in length about the objections in these codes even also. But primarily we said it also. The 2 important codes, one is wages code and social security code. We welcome these 2 codes. So they are good for all the workers community. Because earlier only the 46 scheduled employment are getting the minimum wage code benefit. Now it will be applicable to each and everyone in a phase wise. Secondly, the social security also, it is a need of the day for each and every worker. When I say worker, means including the officers, including the self-employed people. So this way it is a need for them and it has to be covered. So social security code is covering this all the people and will be applicable face to face. Third is OSH, which is related to mostly about the safety in the industries, plant, mines, everything. That is also important. It's a good even also, and that provides like example PPEs, personal protective equipments, to the contract workers also, which were earlier deprived of these benefits. Maybe the principal employer or maybe the contractor has to provide PPEs to them also, and then able to work so that the safely they can work it, and the environment as well as the industry will run on a safer side. But the one provision which we brought to the notice of the Minister Sir as well as the Labour Secretary, because it covers 50 and above workers. So that threshold limit, if you do it, so many more organizations, many more contract laborers or any other way will be out of this act. And what you wanted to give the benefits, आपको जो उसका फ़ायदा देना चाहते सभी को, वो शायद न मिल पाए, इसलिए उस फ़ायदे का कोई मतलब नहीं रहता. यानी कि the benefit will not go or reach to these people also, because they will register themselves with the 40-45 workers because of the 50 limits. And you know that the major employers, they can distribute their workers group in the separate companies, small companies even also. So that we have brought to the notice in the OSH code, and this is 1 or 2 other provisions. So that's way it's also agreeable. But the 4th one is about the industrial relations. So industrial relations, there we had more than 10-15 objections are available. We have explained those things. We have that this is a need to discuss furthermore. It is also need to discuss with the various trade unions too also, and then Kerala state government employees too also. So this has to be made applicable, and formation for this 12th pay is also required for that also. So this way also we have taken up with the respective Labour Minister, sir, and he has also taken up the cognizance of our issues, demands, everything, what is availability for this and what can be done in the due course of time. But consultations should be continued, which they want also the tripartite consultation with each and every trade union. This has to be talked with each and every trade union, and it has to be finalized as it laid, and it has been done like the formation in ILO, as ILO International Labour Organization, where the employees representatives are sitting, employer representatives are sitting, and government representatives are also sitting, and they come to the closure of finalizing some issues where their terminology is called a convention. If they finalize something, it will be called convention number 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Or prior to that, it will be a recommendation, something like that, and prior to that, it will be an instrument. Okay, so this is the way how we have to proceed. So it should be always a tripartite consultation, and in this tripartite consultation, we should make the progress and we should go ahead with that without the workers' apprehensions, activities and that, and same way without employers' activity apprehensions, you cannot make the perfect progress. That is what we have submitted, and that could be the different various aspects of areas where we can do also. So in a nutshell, this is what we have represented with our Honorable Labour Minister and as well as the Labour Secretary also, and previous to that also to the Finance Minister as a pre-budget consultation for announcement of some budgets to this even also. Like our scheme workers, which are also in each and every state. Scheme workers means Anganwadi, Asha, health missions and midday meal, something like that. These people, their wages from the central government and state governments are not being increased. As far as central government is concerned, for last increase enhancement of their wages in the year of 2018, but since then it has not been. And some, if talk about some various states, some states have not even also handed over from their share even also to this scheme worker also. It is also needed. Some state has declared in the year 2023, some in the 2022, and some still has to announce such kind of wages hike into the scheme workers too even also. So this and many more this kind of issues related to our areas of concern with the larger interest of the workforce and in the interest of industries, we have made the presentations to you and would like to talk to you on this also, brief you on this. So as far as my concern, I have tried to brief you about this also, but if I have left out anything or if you had any doubt or any clarification required, still have some couple of minutes we can. And Bharat is already available for the various class of the people in the country also, but we have asked for the implementation or extended this benefit to this, say for example EPS 95, they are having a 72 lakhs of pensioners are available, but they are not getting any health insurance benefit, or they may have their own, personal health insurance, but the general scheme is not available. So we would suggest them that to coverage, extend this benefit to this 72 lakhs under the Ayushman, so that this benefits of the 5 lakhs per annum as a floating benefit to the Ayushman will be available to this class of people and progressively to others also. And if you wanted to deduct a small amount of premium for that even also, you can deduct, so that it will be a rest assured for them even also that this kind of Ayushman, the health coverage will be available. This is possible. Government controlled hospitals like ESIC, AIM, something like that also, there you can also avail those kind of benefits. And of course, it will be a reduced, the total float will be reduced because of some restrictions are there also. But one cannot deny out of that even also. Only they can deny of giving the benefit into the particular hospitals or something which is under their control.
Asking regarding MSP, जो फार्मर्स है, उनको जो MSP कोई भी स्टेट में जरूर मिलता नहीं है.
हाँ, वो मैं स्टडी नहीं किया MSP का. Like to say, as you said MSP, we had asked for the agriculture worker, because because the Kisan are having 6,000 rupees they are getting, but the workers, agriculture, those who are working in the field, they are not getting anything. So they should be given that also. That is one. And we ask for the agriculture policy, technological policy and labor policy. This should be formed as early as possible. Why? Just for the information and knowledge sharing, I'll say. I think it will take a lot of time also, but we should understand. Nowadays, you know, and everything, the previous Kerala, let's take example of Kerala also, and this today's Kerala, the agriculture field, the productions of the rice and everything also has been reduced because of what? के बच्चे जो है either they have moved out of the Kerala और इसके लिए या तो नहीं किया है तो उसको यहाँ किसानी करना पसंद नहीं, वो अपना ज़मीन भी बेच देगा और किसानी नहीं पसंद करते हुए पड़ोस में बेंगलोर, कर्नाटक, तमिलनाडु या कहीं पर भी और जॉब भी ले लेगा, कहीं जाएगा, बट दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. सो द गैप बिकॉज द न्यू जनरेशंस दे आर मोर इन दिस फार्मिंग बिजनेस, तो वो करना नहीं है, उसकी वजह से दूसरा नहीं होगा. लेकिन जो प्रोडक्शन होता रहे इट इज़ गेटिंग जेपर्डाइज. मतलब आपको जो राइस फुल मात्रा में मिलनी चाहिए वो नहीं मिलेगी, गेहूँ फुल मात्रा में मिलनी चाहिए. इट्स नॉट ओनली इन केरला, इट्स एवरीवेयर, बट जस्ट आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ केरला ओनली. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट, सो इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट वी शुड हैव इट. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दैट पॉलिसी कुड बी, you should provide that a single person cannot do much more. So we have to provide the farming equipments to them also, and how to cultivate more crops out of these even so with the help of the machines and everything also. That will be the one area. And then how to just wherever the people would like to work in the farm also, to special cultivate either rice, wheat or whatever it is. So this kind of provision should be made. Secondly, about the technology policy one also. Technology policy should be bring to the area where you are. The second, third issues regarding the EPFO and ESIC. You know that we are the largest in the workforce in the world, as well as EPO contribution is also a very huge contributions in the EPFO, looking to the total mass available. But now we have asked for the coverage of the workers. That limit has to be enhanced. That wage ceiling limit, which is EPFO is having 15,000 and ESIC having 21,000, we have asked to make it double divided. While having the previous government having the subcommittee to this EPFO for the coverage also, where I have taken up this limit to the 45,000, which is also not acceptable. But this is way also we have to go further for this in any case, so that rest of the workers can be covered, can be brought into the benefits of this Act 1952 of PF. So Provident Fund can be assured to these people too also. Same way ESIs, that limit has to be set. And the benefit of this ESIC, which is now been little bit improved rather than the previous one. So those benefits can be extended to the workers group which are right now deprived of. So numbers of those workers are to be made less so that coverage can be more even also. Then minimum pension, regarding that we have also raised that even also issue, that minimum pension should be from 1,000 to the 5,000, which is more required. Of course, this could be related to less in particularly of the such era and in this area even also. But to make how many times? So from 1,000 to the 5,000, it makes, you can say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 times it has gone. In spite of that, even also the pension to the others like OPS, those who wants to go with the options of OPS, they can. So that should be the another criteria for the OPS who would like to go, that will be in the benefit. And apart from that even also, we are asking for the either private sectors or other people even also, one formula, one system or one thing is to be established so that they may get the 50% pension as a 50% of their last drawn salary. पिछला लास्ट उसका जितना वेतन हो उसके 50% मिले तो ये पेंशन ठीक रहे फॉर एनी ऑफ द पेंशन स्कीम्स. ये एक बात है. देन अदर ऑल्सो EPS 95 के अंदर भी और बाकी अंदर भी आयुष्मान भारत यानी हेल्थ कवरेज. After COVID, everybody has seen that the health coverage is very less for everyone. So we should like to make benefit available to these people also, Like EPS 95, almost 72 lakhs pensioners are there, and the other way also, the other pensioners are also there. So they should also get the benefit of this health insurance that is up to the 5 lakhs under the Ayushman Yojana. That is even also applicable to us. Then the modifications or the modernizations of the ESIC hospitals and those things to be enhanced, as some of the states have taken the steps to enhance and modified or improvise structure of the ESIC hospitals, but still many more to be done. बहुत तो अभी कुछ करना बाकी है. Regarding that even also we have taken up those issues even also. Now there are some tripartite consultations bodies are also available with the central government as well as with the state government. Some are the statute provision, some of there are not the statute provision. So they should be also declared as early as possible and to extend the maximum benefits to these people even also. Like one example is the constructions. Under the Act, the constructions board are formed, but many mere states have not yet formed the construction board, or either they have formed but it is not functioning properly. So we can say it is a defunct. So that is what we should give. Out of these construction workers, because of this not having the regular meetings, they are deprived of their 5 major benefits which has been shown into that act. So this is what the situation for them even also we should go. Now some little bit budgets for the functioning of the various boards even also. That is also required because major, if it is related to the labor area, the budget allocation remains very less to these boards even also. And due to the lack of budget, then constant meetings or constant having on distribution of benefits, it is getting jeopardized. So this way also, there the budget should be increased in this area also. While talking to the even labor minister regarding that even also, but some of the issues which we raised to the finance minister are related to the labor SOMI through their respective ministries, maybe labor, maybe fisheries, maybe plantations, or many more other. So that has to represent or that has to come through that also. So that's why those issues were also taken up with them even also. Likewise, one example also, we have asked for the finance minister also to form the 8th pay commission. 8th pay commission is now required to be formed as early as possible, and those recommendations in the form of benefits to be extended to all the state and also the central government employees for that also. If it is being formed, then straight away, so if you count it also, out of 140 crores populations, most of 70, 60 or 75%, whatever you can take it. So these are as a workforce. And if you do not think for them, if you do not work for them also, the progress or development will not seen as you want to see. मतलब आपको जिस तरह से देखना है वो नहीं दिखेगा. The other तरीके से दिखाया जा सकता, लेकिन फिर भी नहीं होगा. So we should do that also. So that's why it is demanded. If we can do it, if we can make that success, तो अच्छा हो जाएगा ऐसा लगता है. Various other countries are also following this pattern. They would like to do also because they had already faced, they have started facing the issues in those technologies. That is what. Because I did not made any analysis for that point of purpose, ki whether workers have voted or workers have not voted, farmers have voted. I don't feel so, but it is a matter of party to decide whether in analytical way who has voted them, who has not voted for them. But it's not related to us, so we have not gone into that details actually. We don't find any data out of that even also. We don't have any mechanism for that even also.
Do you think BMS has to be more influential in Kerala?
Yes, of course. With your all good supports and after this press conference, I wish that also you should, I will not say propagate, but you should support and this way also. If you write down that way also, the reality of the pictures this way also. So definitely the BMS strength will improve upon, and this conference also, maybe the public sectors, maybe the unorganized sectors also, and Kerala is the most educated state in the country even also. So everybody will like to understand more and more. And it's a very power rather than knowledge in writing something also. You can change the scenario also. So that's way, if you can write out in a perspective manner, and if you feel it that BMS should make the progress, as world is also looking towards BMS to take the leadership. So this is not time, otherwise I would have explained you about the how the world people are also looking towards the BMS to take the leadership even also. Even also China and Russia, they are the communist countries, communist based trade unions, but they need our services as a BMS also. So anyway, so that's why it will help us also, and I will definitely urge you and request you to expedite in this lesson, and you can support indirectly, directly this way. It will happen good for the BMS. Thank you.